Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Minecraft worlds from PC to Mac using Realm, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Minecraft worlds from PC to Mac using Realm, begin by launching Minecraft on your PC. Open the Worlds tab to display your saved worlds. Select the world you wish to transfer. Click on the Edit button next to the selected world. Scroll down and click on Export World. Choose an appropriate name for your world and select Export. Now, log into your Minecraft account. Navigate to the Realms section. Select the realm you want to use for the transfer. Click on the Configure option. In the Realm settings, look for the option to upload a world. Select the option to upload a world from your PC. Locate the exported world file you saved earlier and select it. Begin the upload process and wait for it to complete. Once the upload is finished, your world will be available on the Realm. Now, switch to your Mac and launch Minecraft. Log into the same Minecraft account that you used on your PC. Go to the Realms section from the main menu. You will see your uploaded world in the list of available worlds. Select the world and click play. Your Minecraft world is now ready to explore on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.